Salesforce is an incredible tool for membership management, and in this video, we're going to show you how to use it effectively, whether you're managing a small community or a large organization. Stick with us to learn some powerful tips and tricks to streamline your workflow, save time, and boost engagement, using Salesforce for membership management. First things first, Salesforce is a CRM platform that's more than capable of handling membership management. You can store all your members' information, track interactions, and even automate tasks. But before diving in, remember, you can use Salesforce completely free with our exclusive bonuses by clicking the first link in the description below. Next, let's talk about the key benefits of using Salesforce for membership management. One of the most important features is Salesforce's ability to centralize your member data. Whether you're tracking contact details, membership levels, or payment history, everything is stored in one place, making it easy to access and update. This eliminates the need for separate spreadsheets and scattered systems. The third thing you need to know is Salesforce's automation tools. With these, you can set up automated workflows, so tasks like sending membership renewal reminders or thank you emails can be handled automatically. This is a huge time saver and ensures that you don't miss any important follow-ups. Setting up automation is quick, and once it's in place, it runs smoothly without manual intervention. Another great feature of Salesforce for membership management is the reports and analytics tools. You can easily create reports to track member engagement, renewal rates, or event attendance. This gives you the insights you need to make data-driven decisions and optimize your membership strategies. Now, let's talk about segmentation. With Salesforce, you can segment your members based on different criteria, such as membership type, activity level, or location, so you can send tailored communications that resonate with each group. This is essential for keeping members engaged and ensuring they feel valued. Next up, let's discuss integration. Salesforce integrates seamlessly with many other tools, so if you're using something like email marketing software, payment processors, or even event management tools, you can sync them directly with Salesforce. This streamlines your workflow and saves time spent on manual data entry. Finally, let's mention scalability. As your membership base grows, Salesforce grows with you. It's a flexible platform that can adapt to your needs, whether you have 50 members or 50,000. The platform's customization options allow you to fine-tune it to perfectly match your membership management needs, now and in the future. To wrap things up, remember, Salesforce can completely transform how you manage memberships, saving you time and helping you engage your members more effectively. And don't forget to grab your exclusive extended free trial by clicking the link below, so you can start using Salesforce for membership management today. Thanks for watching.